TaoMix 2. TaoMix 2 is an ambient noise app designed to drown out the outside world and help you relax, sleep or focus. There are lots of sounds to choose from, such as birds chirping, rain, waves, wind, a fireplace, a thunderstorm, and many more. But you're not limited to one sound. You can build a soundscape by selecting several at once. Each of these sounds appears as a circle on your screen, and there's another circle that can be made to move around the screen and which makes each sound more prominent when it overlaps with them, so the soundscapes vary over time based on the movements of this circle. You can save any soundscape you make to easily return to it later, and you can set a timer so the soundscape will automatically turn off after a set period of time. You can even record your own sounds. TaoMix 2 app is free, but to get the most out you'll want to invest in some of the sound packs to bulk up the available selection. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, please hit the subscribe button. Goodbye for now.